Good morning. Let's get ready for math. Let's get started with our morning calendar. So the month that we are in is September. In Spanish, that would be septiembre. There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, we talked earlier in our morning meeting that today is Thursday, September 10th. Let's count to 10 together. Let's practice with our sign language. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's try that one more time together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. All right, let's see how many days we've been in kindergarten. Let's take a look at our ones. This is called the ones because how many do you see here? 1. We add 1 every day. Whoops. So let's count together. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first number in our math sentence is going to be a 6. Very good. So we'll start at the top and go diagonal down and make a little circle. What comes next in that number sentence? That plus sign. Very good. We're adding. How many more are we adding? We're adding 1 more. So we'll make that 1. What comes next in that number sentence? Equal sign. Very good. Now, if we have 6 and we add 1 more, what are we going to get? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. All right, so 6 plus 1 is 7. So we make a straight line across and a diagonal line down. Very good. Now, for our math packet today, personally, I thought, parents, I thought this was confusing for me. So I kind of changed things up a little bit because I didn't really super understand what they were trying to have you do. So we're going to be doing some math word problems, like I said before, but I'm kind of going to change the wording, and I'll write the wording down in the message too in the morning so that you can see it, just so you don't have to rewatch the video 75 times. So what you're going to need is, well, you could either use some objects like you did yesterday. You could do some beans, some coins, stickers, whatever you'd like. Or you could just use a pencil and paper or marker, paper, whatever, to draw. So the word problem that I'm going to give you is Lisa has 5 blocks. So let's start there. I'm going to just draw. So Lisa has 5 blocks. So I'm going to draw Lisa's blocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's Lisa's 5 blocks. And what if Reese also has 5 blocks? So let's draw Reese's 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I want to know, how many do they have all together? If we add them all together, let's go through and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, something that might be helpful if you are drawing is to cross out the pictures as you count them so that you don't lose your place. So if we would do it again, it would kind of look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if you're using objects, it might be a good idea to move them one by one so that you know exactly how many you're counting. So if Lisa had 5 and Reese had 5, and I want to know how many they have all together, I'm going to add my 5 and my 5 more. I know that 5 and 5 are partners of 10. All right, so what we're going to be practicing the rest of the day is just making those partners of 10. So, for example, if Lisa has 2 blocks and Reese has 8, so let's draw our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I want to know how many they have all together. Whoops. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that 8 and 2 are partners of 10. This also could be used, we could practice it with our 10 frame like we did yesterday. So if we have a 10 frame, like this. And so if I said Lisa has 4 blocks, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, because remember we start all the way in the left and we go all the way to the right before we jump down. And Reese had 6 blocks. I'm going to keep going on this top line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So I know in a 10 frame, there's 10 boxes. So I know the answer is going to be 10. But that means that 4 and 6 are partners of 10. Very good. So there's a few other partners of 10, and I want to see if you can figure them out. So we know that 5 and 5 are partners of 10. We know that 2, well, how did I do that? Oh, 8 and 2 are partners of 10. And we know that 4 and 6 are partners of 10. There are just a few more, so I want to see if you can figure out those other partners of 10. The last word problem is Ruben has a group of 5 blocks and a group of 4 blocks. This does not follow the same pattern that we have just been using, so it's not going to equal that same number. So if Ruben has 5 and he has 4, how many does that equal altogether? I want to see what you can find out. That is all for our math video today. I will see you later for some reading.